Preparatory Academy. So today's question that we have taken from the YouTube is that is it necessary to take the main character shown in the picture even if he is crying or shown in a negative mood? Now, this is one of the basic question every candidate who is preparing for the SSB has got. Now you have to understand few things regarding this question. The first thing is, in the SSB, no psychologist would give a candidate a negative picture to come up with a positive story, because even a psychologist cannot do it. That means you'll be shown a picture which consists of negative characters as well as some positive characters. So from that you have to identify a positive character and write a story. What happening is that there are many online platforms in which there were more negative images were presented just to confuse the candidates. So please don't follow such kind of negative pictures. Now coming to the question, some of you still want to know what can we do if such kind of a picture comes. There are two approaches which are possible in this scenario. Number one, you can introduce your main character from outside the picture and can write a story. The second approach, which is more promising, is that you can take the person who is in a negative mood, bringing out the reason why he has got into a negative mood. Now remember, getting into a negative mood doesn't mean that you are a negative character. Because in our life, one point or the other, we always get into some kind of a problem. We get into some kind of a negative mood. So negativity is just, it does happen in our life. Now you can bring up to this point in the story what has been the reason for the main character's negative mood. But thereafter you can explain the details as to what he has done in the future to make the story in a positive way. So that means the end of the story can be more positive with more actions. If you do this, the psychologist will consider your story as a matured story rather than introducing a character from outside the picture, which might be considered as that you are a person who's avoiding stress. I hope you got the answer for this video, this particular question. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you guys.